Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the Bench Grinder. And you know how they say necessity is the mother of an invention? Well, if you recall, the tool rest on this side was small and had an indent in it, and it's very hard to hold anything on. So I dressed the stone today, square and flat, and I wanted to try an experiment continuing on with the chisels. And so I thought, why not just double stick tape a little auxiliary platform? And so Bob's your uncle. There you go. I can get right on there. And then while I was at it, so I could keep a memory of what angle I'm achieving, I would grind something, then I would test it on this little pocket protractor, I guess you would call it. And it's very accurate. And so this should be 35 degrees. So if that's 35 degrees, I took a piece of wood, held it up here, took my rusty trusty pencil and just scribed and marked it 35 degrees. And I did the same thing for 25 degrees, which there are actually two lines. One, if I go full hollow ground, and one if I just do a front edge. And then I did a 30 as well. So that way, if I change this, I can go back to it and get close. So I don't know if any of those little tips can help you out. But what I'm planning to do now is I have ground this one to 35, ground this one to 30, and this one is at 25. Now I'm going to hone them and polish them and get them ready for a pairing test. Not chopping, but pairing. I want to see, I know the lower the angle, the easier the pairing will be, but I want to see if a more blunt edge is going to cause me any problems with pairing, or if it really doesn't matter. So this is your shop tip for today. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Make an auxiliary table. Walter out.